Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. And today's tutorial I will be guiding you that how you can see who has viewed your Snapchat story. For that, you need to open the Snapchat app and then make sure you have added a Snapchat story, and on the top right corner you can see your profile icon. Just tap on it and then you'll be guided to this page where you can see over here below the my profile public profile. You can see I have added a story on Snapchat, and I can also see that the two people has viewed my Snapchat story. Just tap on it and I have this story on the Snapchat. Just scroll down and you can see who has viewed your story. So you can see that my two of the friends has viewed my Snapchat story. So in this way you can see who has viewed your Snapchat story. So this was it guys. If you found this video useful, then just hit the like button, and if you are new to my channel, just subscribe it for more tutorial videos.